Hey guys, wanna know how to enable or disable email notifications in GeeksforGeeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your GeeksforGeeks application. So make sure you have GeeksforGeeks app installed and you are logged in it as well. So on the bottom right, you can see your profile icon right here. Simply press on it. And now once you've done that, just simply scroll down until you see settings right here. Now once you're on the settings, just simply set notifications. And now after that, your notifications options should load. And you need to scroll down until you find something known as email notifications. So if it is unchecked, so you can just check it. But if it is checked, you can uncheck it. The choice is yours. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.